Now going ahead with the practical part of redistribution with filtering. So today we'll see this lab over here. Now we have done this much. We have done redistribution properly. We have shown some matrix over here. And let's go and make some loopbacks on R4. Can you see some loopbacks over here? I think some 7 loopbacks are there. So I'll go on R4 and make some loopbacks. Do show IP INT brief. Let me see how many loopbacks do I have currently. I got 2 loopbacks. I'll make some more loopbacks. Interface loopback. I'll give the number 10. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13 like that. IP address 172 dot what's it? 16.101.1 and it's /24. Stress 255.255.255.0. Okay, and loopback 11. IP address 172.16.102.1. But see the net mask for this guy, it is /25. So it will be 255.255.255.128. Okay, then loop back to our 13. IP address 172.16.103.1. Now this is slash. It's there. There's 25, 26, 27, 28, and 30. So it's 26. So it comes out to be 255.255.192. And let's see one making now. We know it. So it is. This guy is now 224. And this guy is 104. Okay. And 15. This guy is 240, and over here it's 105. Oh, mistake. 105 to show IP INT. Let me check it. It's not overlap anywhere. That's okay. And interface loopback 16. IP address 248. This guy is 6, and the last one 17.1 loopback. This guy is 252. Over here it is 107. So do show IP INT please. I got some loopbacks over here as per the scenario. So we want to send this loopbacks into EIGRP with some conditions. What are they? See, these are the loopbacks which I have made. So these networks are already known, correct? Not all routes need to be distributed. Now this we have already done in the previous scenario, in the previous practical labs. But now these guys have to be sent with different metrics. Can you see here? So which I have to distribute, correct? And same way again this guy has to be again go out with default metric E2. Now if you see on R4, it's already done. If you see the command do show IP route, that is already happening. See the last line. It's E2 route for 192.168.1.0. So let me confirm. No, it was for some different actually. There are 2 loopbacks over here on R2, which you can distribute into EIGRP and OSPF. Now we need to add one more guy over here, that is 172.31. Let me see how is 172.31 coming over here. Yeah, it's coming as E1, but we want to send now him as E2 routes. So it's a new topology where you have to do it. So some new configuration to do it for this guy. Okay. So what are the changes? Now this thing we will be doing with the help of route maps. With the help of your route maps. Okay. So let me show you the commands now. We saw the theory part last time, correct?
Yes.
Okay, just give me one sec. We just saw here that we need to first advertise these routes into OSPF, correct?
Yes.
So let's advertise them. So router OSPF1. Okay, I'll just give the command network 172.16. Oh, it's 101, correct? 16.0.0. Can I make it 0.0.255.255? Yes. Then also they can get advertised, correct? Okay. Now, if I give the command show IP route, see the routing table. It's so big, huge one, correct? Yeah. Can you see? Now let me compare this with my PPTs. It's R1, R2, R3, R4. Now if you see in R4, what stuff is missing out? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That are okay. That all are E2. They are coming as now. See, they are E1. We have to make them come as E2 routes, correct? And these are things are there. Okay. If you compare both the slides, it's almost similar. Can you see the number of routes? Yeah. Okay. Now we have to have some difference like this E2 routes all, correct? So what we have done, we'll change it to these lines. Okay, we'll make it like this as per our requirement. Okay, then we'll configure route filtering distribution. So before that we have to make this entire concept in this manner. So let's do it, correct? So what you do on R2 actually, correct? On R2 we have to go and see here. You see this is R3 table, all are E2 routes, correct? And same way R2 is okay, we have both the routes, and R1 will have all external routes. So let's go on R2 and do some modification. Put the cable on R2. Okay. R2. Show run. If you see the running config, what we have done in the distribution, let us see. See, we are sending all the EIGRP routes into OSPF as MEDI type 1, correct? We have to remove this command. We have to remove this MEDI type, correct? So how to do it? On FT router OSPF 1, and I say redistribute EIGRP 1 subnets. Okay, and I give the command metric type, correct? Now see, you have to give 1 or 2. So I will say 2. Set it to 2. Do show run. Let me check. Have the changes taken place. See, distribute ERP1 subnet. So by default is MEDI type 2, correct? By default is MEDI type 2. So if I give the command do show IP route. Of course, this guy knows all the routes, correct? Okay. Now see, there are some extra. There is 10 and 1 and 2. You know why? Because we had in the previous topology we had these two loopbacks on R2. Okay. But now go on R1 first. Try to do R1. Do show IP route. Now if you see the table, yes. Now see, the table is almost similar to these PPTs. R1. All the external routes 17 and 16. Can you see over here? Yes. Now see, this is 172.17.00. You see here. It is coming as, should come as /16, correct? But it's showing in our WD as /32. You know why? Because the default behavior of OSPF treats the loopback interface as stub network, stub host. So it keeps it as /32. So we'll make this guy as /16. How? I'm making a network type point to point, correct? Understanding? So that thing we will do, take care in OSPF. Now kind of cable on R2. Let's compare the R2 table. This is R2. Again, if you see the entire table, yeah, almost similar to your PPT's one, correct? All the routes are over here. Can you see? Okay. Same again. This why it is /32 because this guy is showing us loopback. It is showing us /32, correct? OSPF behavior. Okay. Understanding? So they will make it very soon as see all these other also, correct? They all are showing us /32. So to make this all guys as this one, correct? So let's go on R4 first. Let's go on R4 and do the changes, do the modification for all the loopbacks. I'll go to connect the interface loopback 0, IP OSPF network. I'll make it point to point. Okay, and loopback 1. Let's make it a point to point. Do show IP INTB. Let me see how many loopbacks I have. I have 0 and 1. No, 0, 1, 2, and it's 10, 11, 12, and 14. So again 2. Make it IP OSPF network point to point. Now it will be from 10, 11. Yeah, it's done. 11. See? Now 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Now put my cable on R1 and let me show you the difference. See the changes. Can you see there /16 and see there all are coming as /27, 28, 29, 30. Can you see? That's the change. So if you compare this with your previous table, it's almost similar now, correct? R2, put it on R2, just check your R2 table. Now R2 is the middle router, who is the border router actually between two routing domains, EIGRP and OSPF. So he is contributing between both the routes, correct? Yes, it's contributing OSPF as well as EIGRP. Now put it on R3. We'll compare R3 also. So in R3 you can see the EIP routes coming into OSPF. Do show IP route. Okay. See. And now if you see they all are E2 routes, correct? Yes. They all are E2. And the last one, that is your R4. So just put in R4 now. Last router. Show IP route. I hope it's fine now. Yes. Now if you compare the table, it's almost similar. With some additional things, that is 1 and 2 and 10 network, that's okay, we can bear them. Now this is scenario that you have to configure. We want to send these guys 1.0 should be denied the action, 2.3 should be permitted, 4.5 should be denied, and 6 and 8 should be permitted. So do this. The first option we'll see how to do it. See, this is the option you have to play actually. All things you have to configure on router 2, correct? Over here I'm going to play with the route map with using access list. So put my cable on R2. Okay, so now see how to play over here. It's R2. I just make it a little screen more smaller so I can see the background. Okay, see now, first command router EIGRP1. I say redistribute OSPF. Now it's 2 or 1? I think it's 1. The spelling mistake. So OSPF processor ID 1, correct? And with the route map option. Now we are using option 1. Okay, now option 1 is the name of your route map, correct? So now we can give any name. So we'll give some different name. What you can keep it? What we can keep, like simple name. Or we keep the same option 1. Let's keep it same. Option 1. Okay. So name of my route map option 1 we are going to use. Let me just expand this a little bit. Okay. Option 1. That's it. Then the command route map option 1 deny 10. Okay. Over here I say match IP address. Now say I'm using extended ACL, so I'll give the name over here M101. Okay, smaller name. This is the name of my extended ACL. Then I say route map option 1 deny 20. Over here I say match IP address. Now my extended named ACL IP address name, it is M1045. Okay, 1045. This is our name that we should be remembered. So now my route map is set. Now I give the command IP access list extended. The name of my ACL is M101, the first ACL. Over here I say permit IP host 172.16.101 .0 to host 255.255.255.0. You confirm it, I show it's correct. Okay, this is our first ACL. Then I say IP access list extended, name is M1045. Okay, over here I say permit IP host 172.16.104.0 space to host 255.255.255.224, and then permit IP host to 172.16.105.0 to host 255.255.240. That's it. This is what you have done till here, correct? And then the very important, otherwise everything will get denied, correct? That is route map option 1 permit, and the number you are going to give, we are giving 100. You know why number 100? So then in future I can add some more route maps in the middle between 20 to 30, 100, correct? Okay, we can add it in the middle. Sequence number. Okay, the sequence number. So now this is what I have done. So now let's see after doing this what happens on your neighbor routers. So R2, that's fine, that's not an issue because he has all the routing information, correct? But when I go on, now see, if you see on R2, if I give this command show IP EIGRP topology, let me clear screen, show IP EIGRP topology. If you see, it will show something like redistributed, correct? Redistributed. Remember, we see all redistributed routes, correct? And denied routes not distributed to EIGRP. You will see this. Now, what you can see over here? See 106, 7, 2 and 3. Can you see that 1 and 4 and 5? 104, 105. Can you see here? No. Because we have blocked them, correct? We have denied them. So, as per these previous commands, this 1, Q, 3 networks have been blocked from going into EIGRP, correct? So now when I go on, this is R2 I just saw, correct? So now when I go on R1, let's go and check on R1. So for that you need to put the cable on R1, put a cable in R1, console cable. Okay, so I just hit end, show IP route. See, I can only see 2, 3, 7 and 6. Others haven't denied. That is your 101, 104, 105. Correct? This is what we saw now. Correct? The denied routes are not issued to EIGRP. So this is called filtering. Okay? The first option. And it also here using ACL. But ACL, as we discussed last time, is not much more fun, you know, like where you're using the ACL and you have to give the host and all these steps. Remember? Then when I go on R2 and I give the command show access list. Now go on R2, one second. Let me check, is there any other options? Yeah, now this option 2 I have to play with. On R2, wait, on R1 let me show you some more commands like what they are showing over here. Show IP topology that we saw now. I think we saw it very well. Now go on R2. You have to put it on R2. And now when I give the command show IP access list, see how it shows. Extend IP access list M101, the first ACL. This is what is happening. Extend IP access list M1045, this is what is happening, correct? Okay, so now that was the first option. Okay, it's simple but not very interesting to be, like not very, you can say, like making your mindset very cool actually. But now we can use route map using prefix list, correct? Option 2 again using prefix list, correct? Same thing but using prefix list. Again everything is same, but you have to modify everything again, correct? You have to remove the previous configuration and to add a new one. So how to do it? On FT, do show run. Now we have to remove a lot of things, correct? Now we have to remove this first. Redistribute OSPF1, route map option 1, correct? Okay, so then this is one thing I have to remove. Then if you see this access list, correct? These are the things I have to remove. So you can do one thing, either you can take all this in a notepad and just paste it, or other way, see, router EIGRP1, I say no. Okay, route map option 1, and I say exit, and I say no IP access list, extended M101 and M1045, correct? That's it. Okay, do show run. Let me check. See, gone. Okay, can you see here? I think OSP will not be issued to EIGRP. We will do it again. We will have to configure it again, correct? So let's go with the current configuration. I just got on this again. So now this is going to play with option 2. So again I type here router EIGRP1, redistribute OSPF1 with route map. I give the name now. We give OP2. Okay. This is the name of my route map. Okay. Exit. Then I give the command route map. Okay. OP2. Permit 10. Match IP address. Either give the prefix list. So if you see that what they are using, M102, 106 permit. Correct. Can you see? We use simple names. We use prefix list. Here prefix list 1. Simple names. Okay. Then I say route map OP2 permit 20. Okay. Over here I give the command match IP address prefix list PL2. Okay. Then the final one route map option permit 100. Rest all should be allowed. Correct. See here. They are giving 30. You can give any number. Correct. Understanding? Now the command IP prefix list, that is PL1. Okay. Sequence 5, sequence number of prefix list 5. I give permit is a permit. How to permit 172.16.102.0/23 space. Let me write this inside it a bit. 23. Now greater than 25, but should be less than 26. Correct? Because we have to allow only 102. Correct? Understanding? And what is the subnet mask of 102? It is 23. Correct? 24. I hope so. Yeah. Okay. Understanding? Then same way IP prefix list PL1 sequence number 10 permit 172.16.106.0/23 greater than 29 and less than 30. Okay, this is the first list. Then IP prefix list PL2 sequence 5 permit 172.16.101.0/24, because this is only single load to allow, correct? The single load /24 class 2, and PL2 sequence number 10 permit 172.16.104.0/23 greater than 27 and less than 20. So I allow this both the routes, okay? 104, 105. Understanding? So now if you just see this previous diagram, what you want require actually. This was the thing, correct? 27, 28, 24, 26, correct? Greater than, less than. Understanding? This is what we did. So after doing this on R2 again, when I give the command again, now which will be denied, which are denied will not be shown, correct? So on R2, if I now I just make the screen bigger. Show IP AIGRP topology. Again see. Now it's showing all 1, 2, 3. How it's showing all? Have I missed out something? Have I missed out something on these previous commands? Oh, PL1 is correct. PL2 is also correct. It's denied, correct? And I have given it permit over there. Permit 10. Let me see. Show run. Sequence number 6, okay. Now I want to check this thing. EIGRP reissued OSPF 1. That is route map. Option 2, correct? Now we are again OP2. Okay. Then my route map. Let me check. List. Oh, there's a mistake over here. See this. 20. 20 should be denied actually, correct? We are permitted. That's the mistake which we did. Rest all is same, correct? And see then these guys are okay, like route map. Oh, and we have not removed the option 1 again. Route maps. Remember, we have to also remove these options, correct? This route map we have to remove, correct? Yeah, and over here to make it 20. So let's make the changes. 1FT. I give the command route map OP2 permit 20. So I make it no. Okay, then I make it here deny, and I remove this thing. Okay, then over here we have to give the command match IP address prefix list PL2, correct? That's it. Okay, let me see now, do show run. Let me check again. Silly mistakes. So see 10, 20 deny, that is okay. We also want to remove these things, correct? So we can just put no in front of them, correct? But if I just give the command no route map option 1, it should work, correct? It should remove the entire route map. I hope so. If we give option 1 deny, it will remove the entire route map, correct? This prefix list, that's okay. Yeah, that's fine now. So now if I give the command show IP EIGRP topology, yes. Now can you see again 1, 4 and 5 have been blocked on R2, correct? Same what we want to see actually over there, correct? Now go on R1 and just check on R1 again. Yeah, put it on R1. Okay, so show IP route. See again, you only see 3276, correct? Denied routes have been removed from your routing table, correct?
Yes.
Understanding? Again, if I give the same command over here, show IP EIGRP topology, so the routes are filtered, correct? Heading C last 6, 7, 2 and 3. Okay, so understanding these things, I hope the practical theory was done last time. You will see the practical part. Again, I can give this command show IP prefix list detail match. Okay, and what else I can see more? Okay, so till here any doubts?
No, sir.
Put it on R2. I'll show you one more command. This one. Show IP prefix list detail. Now we have got PL1 and we have got PL2, correct? See, count how much range entries, sequence number, and you see sequence 5 and sequence is showing, hit count and reference count. Okay, now same thing, setting metrics and redistributing. Like again I will be redistributing these routes, but they will be having so and so metrics, correct? Now I'm on R2 I hope so. Again we have to make it blank entirely. We'll remove all the routes, correct? Understanding? I will say here do show run 5 section separator. Like the output of this show run should be given as an input to this command section. Okay, and I'll show you this syntax. Means what is starting with route map. See, show run 5. Here is a separator actually. So the output of this taken as an input to this command section. So show me only this section which is having the route map command, correct? So I have to just put now here no route map. That is OP2. That's it. Oh, sorry. It is OP2, correct? I only want route map, correct? That I will remove. Okay. So now if I give the command, see it will show me only one single line. Distributing route map, correct? Now I have here router EIGRP1, distribute OSPF1, route map which I was given, correct? OP2. Just put here no. That's it. So now do show run. If you see the entire running config, everything is gone. See, gone. And you have to remove the prefix list, correct? How to remove the prefix list? Just copy them. I just have the command no IP prefix list. No IP prefix list PL1 and PL2. So now if you use the command do show run 5 section IP. So you show me only IP address on that section, correct? So no IP prefix list, nothing. So you can see a more like a simple way. See. Okay? Everything is blank, correct? Okay, so R2 is blank. Now we have to do the same criteria of redistribution but using different bandwidth metrics. Saying different metrics. We have to set different metrics. Okay, so again, very simple. We have the lab over here, correct? So again, you have to use prefix list because it's much more easier for us to work with prefix list. Okay. So again, let's see. This 2 and 3 will have a metric of this thing, and rest all will have a metric of this default metric, correct? So again, going on R2. Yeah, we are on R2. So see again. Router EIGRP1, distribute OSPF. So I use the command default metric 1500 1255 1. What else? I think rest is what, everything is fine, and I hope so. It is 1500 10 2551 and 1500. Okay. Then I give the command redistribute OSPF1. Sorry. What I want? OSPF1 route map. With route map, the route map name of the route map is we will give SM, simple name, set metric. Okay. Okay. Now let's set the metric. Now if you see do show run. So we are under over there. Do show run 5 section outer EIGR. See, roadmap SM, correct? Default metric is what I have set already, correct? Now let's configure the roadmap. So the commands of roadmap we can see anywhere. Can you see here? See, I just keep it over here as a side a little bit. You can give any name, okay? So again, route map. Now SM is the name of route map. Permit 10. Match IP address. Prefix list will give the name PL1. Okay, and set metric for these guys 1000 44 255 1 1500. Okay, then exit. Route map SM permit 20. Okay, match IP address prefix list will give the name PL2. Okay, and for these guys set metric this should be 100 4444 awesome 1 and 1500, correct? And I say exit, and I say route map SM permit 30. Rest all should be allowed, correct? Now let's configure the prefix list. IP prefix list what's the name of the business? PL1, sequence number 5, permit 172.16.102.0/23 greater than 25 and less than 26. That is your 102 and 103, correct? They both will go with this matrix as per the defined by the previous list of route map, correct? And PL2 will have sequence number 5, permit 172.16.106.0/23 greater than 29 less than 30. That is your 6 and 7, correct? That's it. That's what we want to configure, correct? It's simple. Now see, now R2 for a command type for us. Show IP AIGRP topology, I hope that's the command. Yeah, and then network 172.16.102.0. Okay, it's 101.0. Is it /24 applicable over here? /24? Yeah. See the metric for this guy: 50, 100, 255. Load is 1, 50, 100. This is as per this scenario, correct? For 101, it should be default metric, correct? See, 50, 100, 10 microseconds, 255, 1, and this one, correct? Okay. Now let's check it. The same one for 102. Oh, sorry. 102 is 25, correct? But even if I use this thing, we have to use /25. That's okay, compulsory. Okay, see this one. 100, 1000, 44 seconds, 255, 1. See this. For 102, 103, it should be this one, correct? Okay, 1044. Getting?
Yes.
Same way for this 103. These are the settings, correct? Understanding?
Yes, sir.
And for 4, 27, 4. See, 50 and 100. Getting? 50, 100 and 100. For this guy. 4 and 5 again, normal. 50, 100 and 100, correct? For 4 and 5, we are using default matrix. Okay? Then 28. Oh. 28. And these guys 5. Same matrix. 29. These guys 6. It is something different. That 10 and something. 444, correct? Delay and 100 million bandwidth. Can you see? Same thing. What you have shown over here for 6 is for 8. Oh, one side. Okay. Now let's go on R1. Put a cable on R1. We will go on show IP route. See the metric. Change. Can you see? For 4 and 5 is similar. 6 and 7 is similar. 1 it is different and 2 and 3 is different. Can you see? Understanding? Please see the values. Got it? Ready?
Yes, sir.
So again this petty also is done perfectly. Now setting the external route types. Now I think this we have done last time. Remember E1, E2 routes?
Yes, sir.
This we have done, so we don't have to do it again. We have seen this last time. Remember OSPF routes coming into EIG pairs coming to OSPF, this time we have so and so. Did we do the practical of this? No, I didn't know. We only do the practical, correct? We did with the OSPF, E1, E2 routes, correct? So let's do it over here. So now the routes which are coming into OSPF of EIGRP, they want this guy to come with the route of E1 and all the other is E2, correct?
Yes.
So now this is what we have to do actually, correct? So first go on R4, put a cable on R4, yeah. See, show IP route. If you see all the routes, they're coming as E2 routes. What happened? Oh, okay, I know. I hope so. It's not happening again. Remove the cable, put it again. Remove the cable, put it again. 4, R4. Ah, bad. Now I need to remove and put it again. Let me stop, pause this.